Welcome, my dear students, in your 12th English class. You know that we are discussing about the topic 4.1 History of Novel. Dear students, through this video, we will focus on the 20th century famous novelists and the well known books written by them particularly. But before that, let us focus on the characteristics of 20th century novels. या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपण 20व्या शतकातील कादंबरी लिखाणाची वैशिष्ट्ये, प्रसिद्ध कादंबरीकार आणि त्यांच्या विविध लोकप्रिय कादंबरींची माहिती जाणून घेणार आहोत. सो स्टुडंट्स, गेट रेडी फॉर द डिस्कशन अबाउट 20th century हिस्ट्री ऑफ नॉवेलिस्ट. Dear students, let's focus on the characteristics of 20th century novels first. The first characteristic of 20th century novels is that they are marked by the modern topics and innovative styles and techniques. की 20व्या शतकातील कादंबरींमध्ये नवीन विषय, नाविन्यपूर्ण शैली आणि कौशल्यपूर्ण तंत्रांचा वापर केला गेला होता. The second, it widened angles of the views by some novelists and they started to focus on political, social, psychological and other modern issues in their novels. की या शतकातील कादंबरीकारांनी सामाजिक, राजकीय, मानसशास्त्रीय आणि इतर आधुनिक समस्यांवर लक्ष केंद्रित करून त्यांचा दृष्टिकोन विस्तारण्यास सुरुवात केली. Then the next one, novelists started to use new techniques of novel writing, such as psychological novels, which are concerned with the thoughts, motives, and emotions of the character. की कादंबरीकारांनी मानसशास्त्रीय संकल्पना, उदाहरणार्थ विचार, हेतू आणि भावभावनांचा लिखाणामध्ये वापर करण्यास सुरुवात केली. Then the novelist also used stream of consciousness novels. It means the novels that deals with the continuous flow of thoughts that makes up an individual's conscious experience. की कादंबरीकारांनी व्यक्तीच्या किंवा पात्राच्या मनातील विचारांचा प्रवाह क्रमवारपणे त्यांच्या लिखाणामध्ये सादर करण्यास सुरुवात केली आणि यालाच आपण स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस टेक्निक असे म्हणतो. They also used Bildungsroman novel, means the novels that concern with the growth of the protagonist's mind, spirit and characters from their childhood to adulthood. की कादंबरीकारांनी बिल्डंग्सरोमन म्हणजेच मुख्य पात्र किंवा नायकाच्या मानसिक, आत्मिक व व्यक्तिमत्व विकासाचा बालपणापासून ते प्रौढावस्थेपर्यंत झालेला बदलही त्यांच्या लिखाणाद्वारे स्पष्ट करण्यास सुरुवात केली. Then they also work regarding fictions of science and technology. Detective fictions are also used in novel writing. की कादंबरीकारांनी विज्ञान व तंत्रज्ञान कथा तसेच गुप्तहेर कथांचाही लिखाणामध्ये वापर करण्यास सुरुवात केली होती. These 20th century novels also gives rise to immigrant authors. Immigrant authors, it means a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. So such writers, they are called as immigrant authors. की 20व्या शतकामध्ये स्थलांतरित लेखकांचाही उदय झाला होता. In this way, students, we focused on the characteristics of 20th century novels in general. Now let's see the information of the first famous writer of this century. Dear students, our first writer of this century is E.M. Forster. He was an English novelist, short story writer, and essayist also. E.M. Forster is world famous for his books such as A Passage to India and another one is Howard's End, his masterpiece work. E.M. फॉस्टर हे प्रसिद्ध कादंबरीकार, लघुकथा लेखक आणि निबंधकार असून त्यांच्या ए पॅसेज टू इंडिया आणि हॉवर्ड्स एंड ह्या कादंबरी खूपच लोकप्रिय आहेत. So here you can see the image of writer and the cover pages of those books. Then our next important writer of this century is James Joyce. He was an Irish novelist and famous for his book Ulysses. This book is a modernist novel by Irish writer James Joyce, and this book is also a landmark work known for its stream of consciousness technique. की जेम्स जॉयसी हे प्रसिद्ध आयरिश कादंबरीकार असून ते युलिसेस ह्या कादंबरीसाठी प्रसिद्ध आहेत. त्यांची युलिसेस ही कादंबरी स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस टेक्निकसाठीही प्रसिद्ध आहे. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड जेम्स जॉयसी and his famous work is called Ulysses. Our next famous writer is Joseph Conrad, a Polish-British writer. Conrad is famous and well known for his books such as Lord Jim and Heart of Darkness. Students, here you can see the image of the writer and the cover pages of his well-known books on your screen. 20व्या शतकातील आपले पुढील महत्त्वाचे लेखक म्हणजे जोसेफ कॉन्राड. ते त्यांच्या खलाशांवरील कथानकांसाठी प्रसिद्ध आहेत. Dear students, Henry James was a world-famous American writer and popular for his books such as The Portrait of a Lady and The Ambassadors. So here you can see the images of the writer and the cover pages of his well-known books. हेनरी जेम्स हे देखील एक सर्वोत्कृष्ट अमेरिकन लेखक असून त्यांच्याही विविध कादंबरी प्रसिद्ध आहेत. Our next important writer of the 20th century is Eric Arthur Blair. He was famous with his pen name as George Orwell. He was an English novelist and critic also. आपले पुढील महत्त्वपूर्ण कादंबरीकार म्हणजे जॉर्ज ऑरवेल हे आहेत. Dear students, this writer means George Orwell is world famous for his book Animal Farm. Actually, it's an allegorical means metaphorical novella focusing on the story of animals and their rebels against human beings. Students, the story of this book is already converted into an animated movie which is so popular among the children also. ॲनिमल फार्म ही जॉर्ज ऑरवेल यांची रूपकात्मक कादंबरी असून त्याद्वारे त्यांनी शेतातील विविध प्राणी आणि त्यांची जमीन मालकाविरुद्धची बंडखोरी आणि स्वतःची समाजव्यवस्था निर्माण करण्याची इच्छा व प्रयत्न व्यक्त केलेले आहेत. Now students, let's move towards our next writer. Dear students, our next writer is Henry Graham Greene. He is an English novelist. He was well known for his book The Power and the Glory. Students, actually this title is taken from Lord's Prayer. की ग्राहम ग्रीन हे देखील एक अग्रगण्य इंग्रजी कादंबरीकार असून त्यांची द पॉवर अँड द ग्लोरी ही कादंबरी अतिशय लोकप्रिय आहे. Then the next important writer of 20th century is D.H. Lawrence, a well-known English novelist and famous for his novels such as Sons and Lover, and The Rainbow also. Students, here you can see the image of the writer and the cover pages of his well-known books on your screen. So just keep in mind the information or the name of the writer and his famous books also. Dear students, our next important writer of the 20th century is Sir William Gerard Golding. He was a famous British novelist who published different books and received Booker Prize in 1980. He also received Nobel Prize for his novel Lord of the Flies in 1983. Students, here you can see the image of the writer and the cover page of his award-winning book on your screen. So just keep in mind, William Golding, award-winning writer, famous for his book Lord of the Flies. विल्यम गोल्डिंग हे प्रसिद्ध ब्रिटिश कादंबरीकार असून त्यांच्या लॉर्ड ऑफ द फ्लाईज ह्या कादंबरीला साहित्याचे नोबेल पारितोषिक प्राप्त झालेले आहे. Now dear students, let's focus on another writer of this century. Anthony Burgess, another famous novelist, English writer, popular for his books such as A Clockwork Orange and The Doctor is Sick. Now dear students, let's focus on the famous immigrant writers of the 20th century with the help of the next slides. Dear students, our first well-known immigrant author is Salman Rushdie. He is famous British Indian novelist. But dear students, try to understand the word immigrant author. It means a person who comes to live permanently in a foreign country. Immigrant authors म्हणजेच स्थलांतरित लेखक की ज्यांचा जन्म ज्या देशात झालेला आहे तो देश सोडून ते दुसऱ्या देशात स्थायिक होतात आणि त्यामुळेच भारतीय वंशाचे व ब्रिटनमध्ये राहणारे सलमान रश्दी हे देखील एक स्थलांतरित लेखक आहेत. Students, Mr. Salman Rushdie is world famous 20th century immigrant author and his well-known books are Midnight's Children and The Satanic Verses. Our next important 20th century immigrant author is V.S. Naipaul. He is a Trinidad and Tobago born British writer. He is famous for his books such as A House for Mr. Bishwas and The Suffrage of Elvira. की V.S. नायपॉल हे देखील त्रिनिदादचे स्थलांतरित लेखक असून त्यांच्याही विविध कादंबरी प्रसिद्ध आहेत. So just keep in mind name of the writer. And this person is also an award-winning writer. Dear students, our last important 20th century immigrant author is Kazuo Ishiguro. He is from Japan and world famous for his books Never Let Me Go and The Remains of the Day. He had received Nobel Prize for his writing. की काझुओ इशिगुरो हे जपानमधील स्थलांतरित लेखक असून त्यांना साहित्यातील सर्वोच्च नोबेल पारितोषिकही प्राप्त झालेले आहे. So in this way, my dear students, we focused on the information of world famous 20th century novelist. We also discussed about the characteristics of 20th century novels, and we also discussed about different immigrant authors emerged in this era. So whatever we discussed, keep in mind there will be objective activity based on this information. So thank you, my dear students. Keep your watching and keep your learning.